Hi, welcome to English 240, Shakespeare. I'm Professor Andrew Hoffman, and I'll be teaching this course online in a 16-week semester. I'm really excited you're joining me on this journey. You know, it's a good question. The opening question on our discussion thread is what makes Shakespeare relevant today? Some people argue Shakespeare is no longer relevant. Is that true? Well, you probably don't think it's true because you're here, right? You signed up for the course, right? So something else is going on. Yes, Shakespeare lived 400 some years ago. And the plays are from a dead white European male perspective, undoubtedly. So what can we say about that? And is there enough there to make Shakespeare relevant in today's world, and in what ways? We can look at the history of attitudes towards Shakespeare, how plays have been produced or performed, how Shakespeare has worked his way into our culture, not just high culture, but also pop culture as well. There's so much stuff that we can talk about with Shakespeare. My only concern is how do we get to it all? Seriously, how do we get to it all? Over the course of this semester, we're going to be looking at comedies, histories, tragedies, and also some of the sonnets that Shakespeare wrote. During the course of the semester, as you'll see, we're going to be discussing all kinds of issues, not just simply textual analysis, although we'll do that too, don't worry. But issues that kind of connect to such an important figure in the English language tradition. Now, here we are online, not in the classroom. So what do I need you to do? What do I need you to know? First of all, it's very important that you get on the canvas, obviously you're here now, and begin with reading the syllabus. That's right. You go to the syllabus module, or excuse me, the module containing the syllabus, which is the introductory module. There is a syllabus that you can download and print out, but there's also a syllabus video, which I hope that you watch as I walk through all the items of importance in the syllabus itself. Also, in that same module, you will find the out-of-class essay guidelines. There are 2 points. There is a video of the out-of-class essay guidelines that I would like you to watch. And then there is separately a place where the handout is itself that you can download or print out. Also, there's an MLA format for literature students. I tried to trim up MLA a little bit for our purposes in terms of analyzing literature rather than dealing with all of MLA, although I know if you're in English 240, you already have experience with MLA, no doubt. Again, 2 things. Watch the video, the walkthrough of the handout, and then you can download the handout and print it out for yourself. Also, we begin with a discussion thread this week. There are discussion threads every week of the semester, and it's vital to your grade that you participate. There is a video to discuss how to do discussion threads more successfully. One of the keys is to remember that there are 2 due dates for each discussion thread. There's an initial discussion that you post, and then your comments to others. There's a second deadline for that. The initial discussion thread for Shakespeare asks you to consider this question about the relevance of Shakespeare here in the 21st century. I'm really excited to teach this course. I'm sorry that we can't be together in person because, in my opinion, that's always the better way to teach. But we'll do the best that we can with what we have. Looking forward to seeing everybody this semester. Bye-bye.